How to easily send photos on Talkie AI. Now, before we proceed, we must ensure that we are currently running the latest version of the Talkie AI application. Now, head directly to Google Play Store and then just search for Talkie. So this is their official logo for their platform. So you should be able to know if your application needs an updating because there is going to be update button visible there. Just simply press on that and it will automatically update by itself. Now, once everything is set up, make sure that you fully logged into the application using your Google account or any of the accounts associated with this platform right here. Now, for you to be able to upload or send photos easily, all you have to do is to tap on this profile icon right here, which is going to be located at the lower right portion of your screen. And here you should be able to see share a fun fact about yourself. So below that, there is an option that says plus add to profile. You simply press on that, and you should be able to see a picture or a camera icon lower right portion of your profile picture. So simply tap on that, and you should be able to send or upload photos easily. And that's it. That's how you easily send photos on Talkie AI.